I'm Lucy and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we've got another hair tutorial, hence my hair's not looking too great now, but hopefully we're going to change that throughout this video. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing for you guys Goo Goo hair extensions. They did kindly give me these hair extensions, so I'm going to show you my thoughts and opinions on them, as well as how to clip in hair extensions. If you've got very thin hair like myself, then this video is absolutely perfect for you, showing you how to put them in and kind of hide hair extensions when your hair is very thin is very difficult. So I'm going to show you my top tips on how I do it personally and what works for me. So we might as well get straight on into this video and unbox these hair extensions because I am literally so excited to see what they look like. To start off with, how cute is this packaging? And the hair extensions are 100% human Remy hair, which is honestly so perfect. How cute is this little bag that they come in? And then as well in the box, we've got some lashes which look quite big and I literally cannot wait to try these out. How cute are those lashes? We've also got a little clip which will be ideal in putting the extensions in, and then some extra clips which are honestly a bonus because I've already had hair extensions before. They weren't Goo Goo hair extensions, but these clips have fallen out of them before, so it's always good to have a backup. And then it also has a little card for the replacement guarantee on it. So absolutely love this, and I just think that it is so nice that I can kind of just keep the box, keep the extensions in it, or I could keep the extensions in this little pouch. So if I show you the pouch up close, it's just got their logo on it, and the hair extensions themselves are honestly so adorable. So let's take them out. They come in this little hairnet thing, so we'll just undo that. But look at these hair extensions. So I did actually pick up the 16-inch seamless clip-in hair extensions, and these ones are in the shade Dirty Blonde. I'm not sure if they're going to be a bit too golden for my hair, but we'll see what they look like on. But look at the colouring details throughout them, like they just blend absolutely perfectly, and I literally cannot wait to show you guys how to actually clip them in. This is the 4-clip one, and the colours I'm just so obsessed with. And is there anything better than getting new hair extensions? These are honestly so soft, so silky and so shiny, so hopefully it's going to bring back to life my hair a little bit. And we all know literally in every single video I wear extensions, so hoping that these are going to be my new fave if they match my hair anyway. And also, before we get any further into this video, I also do have a discount code which is Lucy10, and that gets you 10% off your purchase. So my top tip for putting hair extensions in is you kind of need something pointy, which I'm just using this makeup brush that has a pointy end to it, but you can also get a comb as well. But this just kind of means that you can section the areas off more evenly and get that straight line. So I'm going to just start off by sectioning the bottom of my hair and make sure that I've got like a small amount at the bottom, as little as possible. But when you clip in hair extensions, sometimes this little under piece bit is quite hard to blend. So sometimes I do actually plait this bottom bit and then pin it up so that you can't see it. So if you do have that issue of having like these little bits and then your hair extensions and it doesn't blend as well, then you've always got that option to plait these two bits and then pin them up. Now I've sectioned a line of where I want to put my first hair extensions, and I'm going to actually start off with the 3 width if I can find it. So I'm just going to start off with a 3 width. You can also kind of back comb the top section that you've just selected to make it a little bit easier for them to stay in. But for me, my hair's naturally curly, so it always kind of has volume at the root anyway, and I don't have any problems of it kind of falling out. So we're just gonna clip in. Make sure that you put it central at the back of your head. So to start off with, just make sure that the extensions are central and then just clip them in. So I've just clipped in the first section across there. I'm not the best at kind of showing you that, but this is what they are looking like. I really can't tell whether it actually matches my hair or not in the viewfinder. I think we're looking okay so far. So good. And also these are a little bit wavy, which I don't mind. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural, but because these are 100% human Remy hair, I can just straighten them, curl them, style them however I want to. But the next hair extension I'm going to take is the 4-width one, and if I kind of just show you the band, this is what I mean by seamless. Like, how thin is that? and it just looks so good. And then we've just got these clips here which we are just clipping in at the back. I love the tones on all these blondes. It's honestly so good, but if this is a little bit too golden blonde for me, I might have to tone them myself. So now I'm just pulling 2 little bits from the side because I'm going to put the full width in. So I'm just kind of pulling the sides down, obviously not tugging up my hair too much, just to add a little bit of hair. But I'm going to then layer this on top. This is what I do for the fact that I've got thin hair. Try and layer them as close to the bottom of your head as possible. Obviously everyone's got different head shapes, so different things will work better for other people. But I just like stacking 3 hair extensions on the top of each other when they are on the bottom. So this one is just going slightly above where you've just pulled those extra sections out. And honestly, when I say these hair extensions are so thin and seamless, usually by now it would be quite bulky, but because they are seamless, I'm not feeling that bulky, which I'm absolutely loving these hair extensions so far. Kind of wish that I ordered the 18-inch ones and got them a little bit longer, but I guess it's just kind of trial and error, and these ones look possibly a lot more natural anyway. Now getting the final 3 width one, I'm just going to place that literally on top of the 4th width one that I've put on. I know this makes it a little bit more bulkier, but I just find it easier to hide them. I could have done this before I clipped it in, but I just like to do it after. So instead of going above the hair extension, I'm going to go on top of the hair extension, if that makes sense. So just clip them in straight over the top, and it's as easy as that. I'm actually loving these hair extensions. They are just so soft. Wish they were a little bit longer though, like I keep saying, because I literally cannot get enough of hair. But I guess that's my fault for, like I said, picking the 16-inch hair extensions. That is the first section put in, and my hair is looking great already. So now we want to put the hair more towards the front rather than the crown of the head. I find it a lot harder to hide hair extensions, and if the wind blows it just kind of like shows the whole hair extensions. And I always like to have my hair kind of split down the back and at the front, so this is how to do your hair extensions so that that doesn't show. So the next clip I'm going to put in is just a little 2 clip, and I'm going to section my hair off again and then explain how I'm going to section my hair off. So I'm just taking my little pointy brush, sectioning this bit, just exposing my forehead as well. So I want to take it from the top here and then diagonally down. See, this is so hard to do on camera. Like I always say, hair is just harder to do on camera. You know what? This clip is really good and beefy. I should probably show you a little bit closer. Like, this clip is so good and so grippy. It just sections the hair perfectly. I have got a bit of roots, so I feel like it's not going to blend as much, but you won't really see this. So I'm just clipping the first one in here and then this one slightly further down, and I'm feeling like I needed to section this bit of hair off as well, so I'm just going to clip it underneath. It's so much easier if you've got like a seamless line to just kind of follow, and then that hair falls down over the top of it so that you can't see it, and it's adding a little bit more volume towards the front. Got the next 2 clip to do exactly the same on the other side, so I'll probably section this one off a little bit better. You want to just take a piece and kind of draw that line a little bit diagonally down like that, and again you can back comb this area if it's too kind of close to your hair. Then I feel like that kind of brings it forward a little bit towards your face and kind of just frames it, but like I say, this is personally how I like to do it. So that's kind of added a lot more volume to the face. And now I'm going to do the last 2 bits. As I've got a middle parting, I'm just kind of going to stick these more or less here and here, but if you do have like a side parting, I'd probably suggest doing it more one-sided, depending on where your hair kind of has more volume. I'm just gonna side part my hair and then add the clip-in at the top towards the front, just like that, and then attempt to do the same the other side. Sorry if I'm looking off to the side to get my parting straight. So this is the hair extensions clipped in. I feel like they don't match my actual hair colour at all. But to blend them a little bit more, I'm just going to jump off camera and kind of straighten them in, and then potentially curl my other hair. I think because they are just so shiny and new that with my actual hair it doesn't quite blend, does it? So I'm going to either jump off camera, straighten it or curl it and come back to you with the finished results. But as far as hair extensions go, regardless of them matching my natural hair colour, I absolutely love them. They feel so lightweight. Like, I've had other hair extensions that just kind of pull you down and everything. They are so lightweight, it feels like I'm not wearing hair extensions. They're not too warm either, because sometimes I can get too hot wearing hair extensions. I love how soft they are. They just feel so good and I would definitely recommend them. I love the fact that you can actually style them, so hopefully I can style it and make it look a little bit better. This is what the hair extensions look like before I've styled it. So I'll go off camera and style them for you so you can see what the final look looks like. So I know that I said I'd just jump off camera and style it fully, but this side hasn't obviously been styled, and this one I've literally just spent 2 minutes if that straightening it, and it just looks so much better. In real life the colour match is way better than it actually looks on camera, and I will definitely be wearing these so much. And now I've straightened it, I don't actually mind the length. I think the length is honestly so perfect. But now I'm going to jump off camera and just straighten the other side, or should I straighten it on camera? Should we see if my cable reaches and I'll straighten it on camera for you guys, because honestly straightening it was so easy and it is so sleek. So I feel like styling these is going to be so easy for you guys. I feel like I should have done this side because it's so much harder. It is literally just reaching, but if I just do one section, look how easy it is just to kind of straighten it. So yeah, I'm going to jump off camera and show you what it looks like fully straight. And we are back. The hair has all been straightened. I really want to see what it looks like curled, because I feel like it would match my natural hair a lot better if it was curled, because we still kind of have that little bit of the golden tones not matching my hair. I feel like blonde is so hard to get right with hair extensions. Like, it's such trial and error, but if I tone these slightly I feel like they will just work absolutely perfectly. But absolutely obsessed with the way these hair extensions feel and look. They, like I say, they are so easy to straighten and look good, and I'm just so obsessed with them. It actually looks and feels like natural hair. And even just having it behind your head, it just, everything just is so nice, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing hair extensions at all. Like I said, they're not heavy and it just kind of falls naturally, if that makes sense. And I just love the look of these hair extensions so much. Like, I cannot rate them enough. But yeah, this is how I put hair extensions in for thin hair. You just want to make sure you layer as many as you can at the bottom and then keep to the sides, and I definitely recommend middle parting as well, and avoid the crown area here, because that's where you kind of see the most hair extensions. But yeah, I absolutely love my hair, and Goo Goo hair extensions are definitely worth checking out. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.